Brenda?
Mr. Pepin, them don't think you're going to bed.
Well, to tell you the truth, I was just preparing to go to bed and I see you pass and you look irritated. Is everything all right?
Alright, Mr. Pepin.
You sure? So tell me, where is the nice young man you left with? I noticed both of you left and now you come on back alone.
Mr. Pepin, everything is alright, sir.
If you say so. Young people these days.
Brenda, what's wrong? Why you look like that?
That's why me that girl I believe in my independence. Cause no boy not take me from idiot.
What you link could have now?
I want that film if you just come taking things and out of my room.
Brenda, you sure you're not overreacting? What you link could have now?
After me and this boy at a club, him put me down in a corner like him briefcase go chat him Humpty Dumpty for an hour. And if you ever see the girl too, you know when them beat elephants?
You're not easy now. Suppose it's his friend.
I coulda him mother. Me not care. When me and him go out, him not supposed to chat in the other girl face about for me.
So where's Lincoln now?
My business. You know me always have my get back money, you know, just call a cab and cut left that.
You're just upset now. Your Lincoln soon tight again.
In a which life? Certainly not this one. Nobody now use me, cause nobody know more than me.
Boy, wish me this strong like you.
You see how long me reach home? And him like him not even realize some life. Boy.
I'm going to lay down. I'll see you in the morning. Somebody you're dying to see.
Brenda, not reasonable.
Unreasonable. Your slipper sticky put upon face at the club never unreasonable.
She's my co-worker.
I could have your own work and me not care. Listen to me now, man. You said me and you go out. Me don't want you put me down in a corner like a briefcase and chat your Humpty Dumpty for hour.
It's just about 15 minutes I was over there talking to the young lady. I was just about to come to introduce her to you.
Introduce who to who?
Me?
To the barracuda where you chat to? Mr. D, me eat fish, me not chat to them.
Brenda, the level of disrespect, and you not even know the girl.
Me no want know her. Every girl is a threat to me when it come to my man. So me not friend none of them. You know what, Jerry Springer?
Brenda, you're behaving immature.
Immature? Lincoln, listen to me now, man.
You listen to me. In the 2 years, 9 months and 3 days, 5 hours since we've been together, I've never given you a reason to mistrust me. Brenda, you're the only woman I want. You have all that I need. I don't need to look elsewhere.
That's not always and then in the come. John, how long time you out here?
Long enough.
You hear anything?
Me hear everything, girl.
Me did that loud?
Like stone love. I'm happy for you, girl.
I'm not gonna lie to you, girl. Making up sweet bad.
I know. I mean, I heard.
John? You alright?
Something don't feel right, Brenda. From week start, I've been feeling a whole bundle of pain.
So you not gonna check that out?
I'm gonna try and do it this week.
You know, I'm asking you a serious question. What you plan to do?
Keep it.
But Johnny now work. Your man now work. What you not gonna do for make money?
When I reach that bridge, I'll cross it. But as long as I live, I will never ever take another abortion.
I not encourage you to do no abortion, you know. But based on your present situation, you might want to think about it. So when the man frame there, he's not coming yet.
Well, I don't know, I can't sleep unless him come inside, you know.
Babes, ready for round 2?
I come in, baby. Keep the bed warm.
Good night, Janice.
Good night, Lincoln.
Yeah, alright?
Sure, I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yes, girl. Go on now. Go get your sort out.
think you did asleep.
You know I can't sleep unless you come inside.
Something will come from there and go back on road.
You going back out with Paul?
We just go down the road this man. I will take care of some business. Yeah, I'm so far back there.
This is the time of night. You really have to go again? Paul, please don't go back outside, baby. Stay with me, please.
Babes, just give a couple more minutes now.
Mm-mm.
No, you know, I promise. I'll follow the school now, babes.
Please, baby, just stay with me. You don't need to go back outside. And I promise you, if you're staying, I'll sort you out. And
I know.
you just might get a chance to water the baby head.
What are you what? Yo. Me not tell us to get rid of that. I don't ramp with me, you know.
Wait. No, man.
Janice! Brenda!
Come in, Mr. Pepin. Come in, sir.
Tell me something. Is which one now in here smoking weed in my place?
Nobody no smoking here, sir.
Well, to tell the truth, I know you don't smoke. And I don't think Janice smoke as far as I know. Tell me something, that decent looking young man I say coming to you, him smoke?
No, sir. Lincoln will never smoke.
Well, that simple mean is that careless, worthless boy Paul inside of my place and smoking. You know, say, I'm going to give Janice notice if she can't control that boy, you know.
No, Mr. Pepin. You can't blame Janice for Paul action.
Is her man. She's supposed to know him not good enough to her.
I agree.
No, man. But now tell me, say in the room that boy they are smoking.
Mr. P, what you do? You can't go in at the girl when she's not there. That's not right.
You have a point. But, hey, you're in there. I know you're hearing me. If I ever pass my place and smell ganja smoking here again, you and Janice going to have to find somewhere and go. Cuss it bright. I'm going to blast off the bar. I take this thing for a cleaner off.
You know, so the old boy that look at this.
You need to stop smoking at the man place. That's what you need to do.
So yeah, move.
How may I move?
Yeah, move strong.
No, you know, Mr. D. My name is strong. I'm strong. You understand that?
I see alone more I say.
The argument where you are looking for another yesterday, you know.
My girl, I will eat my fat.
Eat you? I don't have the time nor the energy for that. And Janice me vex with for her. You, I walk on her like she a Max.
She not have to stay, she can't go on the show.
Are you for go on? Yeah, go like say you work. And Janice alone I work make 2 ends meet in this. I'm sure if she left you see a man have a run and beg and ball when they realize I lose a good man. What
Yo,
you know?
I'm telling you this, enough good man out the road and we can't get them like that, man. I tell you.
None of them don't want you, Paul. So nobody fool themselves. I can't wait for Janice to see how them up. I say, see how me? I do my local gas station where I can save my money. Because any day the man in my life decides saying I'm going to take a walk, I must stay and look money for parents and buy groceries. And something for a rainy day.
Yeah, move like you don't love nobody.
Me no love my spirit take. So any day me say hit the highway, you better make sure I'm tank full of gas. Oh.
You're full of big chat the door.
I'ma have what for buckets.
I can't see that.
Paul, I'm here alone there, right?
Yeah.
The house na auntie.
I don't know about that.
So that means say, it's either you lick up on my body or I me lick myself. I'm certain I never lick myself. So are you?
My girl, you know a long time you like me, you know. True, and Janice a friend me can't move so, you know. But guess what? You don't have to worry because she don't have to know what go on. She don't have to know what thing.
For real?
So what will tell her? You?
No, I won't do that. They don't really think you work backing up me and my friend relationship. Come out of my room! Ice in the freezer.
So that's really the place?
Come like you never hear me that tell you. You know me that tell you already, you know, John. You should have hear him ball out in there. Ow!
You know, you're not easy. You're a wicked girl.
So them say me love. Morning, Paul.
We're going to stop powering a idiot girl in the soil now.
Me and that idiot girl have been friends for a long time. So you can't tell me who to be friends with, Paul.
Can't let me 20 grand.
Then a 20 grand? 20 grand out of what, Paul? I don't have any money.
Out of the bank book, me pay back money.
Oh! So you've been eyeballing the money in my account? Listen to me. I can't touch that because if I touch it, I lose all my interest.
So you say? I want to ask you a question. Over my day, I not see a guy work. Like it on sick leave, because that look long.
Well, this one is a permanent sick leave, sir.
What do you mean by that?
Lose a job.
You lose the what? Tell me say a joke, you mean?
No, I make no joke. Mr. White tell me.
Don't tell me nothing about Mr. White. Try and make sure you have a plan, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Oh! So if I don't work, the bills don't pay, I would have hungry in here.
Janice, you good?
Yeah, bro, alright.
You know my number. Call me if anything. Tell Link I'm soon come back.
Alright. Let me break it down to you in case you never know. A whole heap of girl out the road, man. Girl that own car and house. But I just told me there with you. Let me just say so easy myself. But one thing me I tell you. Try and make a decision. Cause me no want a girl when I have no work.
So where you going?
You know you ask too much question. Me I got a country for the weekend or what?
So you're gonna leave me in the house all alone with no money?
You know your word, please. Look how you're young and fresh. Go look at work! Morning, Paul. You wanna say nothing to me, I can move. That was pleasant.
Lord, you stay high and you look low.
Morning, Janice. Is Brenda here?
Morning, Lincoln. Brenda says she's going on the road. She'll be back. Sit and wait on her. Want something to drink?
No,
I'm going to get something to drink. Hold on. Oops. Sorry about that.
Hello? She's there? Oh, tell her I'll be there in another 15, no less than 15 minutes. I'm just putting on another shirt. I had a slight accident. Alright, I'll be there shortly. Yeah.
Oh my God! Jesus! Oh my God!
Janice?
Yes, they can't wait up and call me. Please come here.
Janice?
Oh my God, yes.
What's the matter?
Oh, look. Brenda?
Brenda. No, you understand?
But then you give me heart failure.
So you really think I did something like that to you? You're my best friend, boo.
Sorry about that, John. But you know it when it come on to my man already. Oh. Yeah, but alright. You sure? Yeah.